Good morning, students. Today I'll teach you the question answer of this chapter, Safeguarding the Marginalized. We will do the question answer. So, manual scavenging has been declared illegal as it violates right to equality, right to freedom of movement, right to freedom of speech, right against exploitation. So, right against exploitation. इसमें क्या है कि right to exploitation में fundamental rights guarantee that SC, ST, OBC can live with dignity and be treated as equals. ठीक है, तो ये डिग्निटी के ये क्या है, ये जो वर्क है ये क्या है, उनको लो पेड जॉब है, हेल्थ हजार्ड है और एक उनकी डिग्निटी के खिलाफ है. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन वाज स्वच्छ भारत मिशन लॉन्च्ड? November 26, 2014, August 15, 2014, November 14, 2014 or October 2, 2014? Yes, 2nd October is the birthday of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The 2nd October 2014, Swachh Bharat Mission was launched on 2nd October 2014. Target was 2019. 2nd October 2019. 5 years. During this 5 year, within 5 years हम लोगों को ये कंप्लीट करना था स्वच्छ भारत मिशन को. नेक्स्ट है, विच आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू अबाउट द डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी? तो ट्रू कौन सा ट्रू है? फर्स्ट है, दे आर नॉट इन्फोर्सेबल बाय लॉ, दे कैन बी इन्फोर्स्ड बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. High Court is the protector of the directive principles of state policy. The President has the power to enforce the directive principles of state policy. तो इसमें क्या होगा? They are not enforceable by law. ये सही है. यहाँ पे आपको ये दिया भी हुआ है, डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी आर नॉट इन्फोर्सेबल बट बाय लॉ. ओके, तो ये है इसका पूछा ही है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू. तो ये है आपका राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फंडामेंटल राइट्स हैज स्पेशल प्रोविजन फॉर माइनॉरिटीज? राइट टू इक्वलिटी, right against exploitation, cultural and educational rights and right to freedom. Which one have a special? right to equality नहीं होगा, right to freedom भी नहीं होगा, right against exploitation भी नहीं होगा, तो क्या होगा? cultural and educational right, जिसमें कि minority के लिए भी provision है. क्या provision है? तो they can also protect their distinct culture and safeguard it from the influence of the majority. Next है, identify the scheme under which a person can open a bank account without depositing any money. सारे स्कीम्स के बारे में मैंने बताया था. तो चॉइसेस हैं PMAY, PMJDY, SSY, PMSBY. तो आंसर होगा PMJDY. इसके फुल फॉर्म बताइए. इसका फुल फॉर्म है, PM मीन्स प्रधानमंत्री, J जन, D धन, Y योजना, प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना, जिसमें कि आपको अगर बैंक अकाउंट नहीं है तो above the age of 10 years and does not have a bank account can open a bank account without depositing any money. Next है, is an inhuman product of the caste system. वो होगा अनटचेबिलिटी। ठीक है। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट है इज ए वेलफेयर हाउसिंग स्कीम लॉन्च्ड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने हाउसिंग स्कीम, कौन सी हाउसिंग स्कीम लॉन्च की? तो प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना। अगर मैं पूछूं कि PMAY का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना। इसमें क्या होते हैं कि पुअर पीपल प्रोवाइड्स houses at a very low rate, and they are given loan also. A subsidy on loan would be provided by the central government, and they are so that they can make affordable house. For whom this is provided, this scheme is, this opportunity is, तो for the weaker section, economically weaker section of the country. The special preference would be given to the senior citizen, women, SC/ST, etc. फिर क्या है कि और क्या है, नेक्स्ट है, अब बताइए SSY के फुल फॉर्म बताइए। SSY सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना। सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना। अच्छा, ट्रू फॉल्स बताइए तो। सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना प्रोवाइड्स फाइनेंशियल एम्पावरमेंट टू द गर्ल चाइल्ड। यस, इट इज़ ट्रू। The practice of untouchability has been abolished under the right to equality. It is also true. The state cannot make special provision for the backward classes. Totally wrong है। Protective discrimination के अंदर में state can make special provision for the backward classes. Then minorities in India are not protected by the constitution. ये बिल्कुल रॉन्ग है। दे आर प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। देन डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी प्रमोट वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल। 100% ट्रू। ओके, ये भी आपका हो गया। अब आप बताइए PMSBY फुल फॉर्म प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना। इसमें क्या है कि लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया live in rural areas and these people do not have access to insurance scheme. PMSBY is an initiative to cater to such sections of our population so that they can enjoy the insurance benefit at minimum contribution. नेक्स्ट है इन विच ईयर प्रिवेंशन ऑफ एट्रोसाइड्स एक्ट पास्ड? 1989। 1989। इन विच ईयर एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ मैनुअल स्कैवेंजर्स एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ड्राई लैट्रिन प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट पास्ड? 1993। SRMS. What is the full form of SRMS? Self-Employment Scheme for Rehabilitation of Manual Scavengers. In which year it was introduced? It was introduced in the year January 2007. January 2007. Okay. Mention what are the targets to achieve in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. What are the targets? First is to construct toilets. Second, to eradicate manual scavenging. Third, to change people's attitude to sanitation and create awareness. Next question is, who is a manual scavenger. Manual scavenger is a person who removes human waste or excrete using brooms, tin plates and baskets from dry latrines and carry it on the head to the disposal ground some distance away. Next is, can you destroy a building which is used by SC/ST, a place of worship or human dwelling? Can you destroy that building? No, you cannot destroy that building which is used by SC/ST as a place for worship or human dwelling. Can you force them to not to vote or to vote any particular person? No, answer is no. You cannot force. Next question, what is protective discrimination? Protective discrimination means that the state can make special provision to protect the interest of the socially and economically backward classes. Next question, explain right against exploitation. The Constitution provides for abolition of trafficking in human beings, begar or forced labor, and ban on the employment of children below the age of 14 years in dangerous jobs like mines, factories. Next question is, who are minorities? The person who are less in number are called minorities. Who are majority? The person who are more in number are called majority. Next, who are the marginalized groups of India? SC/ST. Okay. Next, what are the next question is, describe any 5 welfare schemes launched by the Government of India for the upliftment of the needy and the downtrodden. 5 welfare schemes launched by the Government of India. तो PMAY, PMJDY, Stand Up India Scheme, PMGKY, SSY, PMSBY. Next, I have used abbreviation only, but you have to write the full form. Means not PMAY, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना. आपको फुल फॉर्म लिखने हैं. कैन यू एक्सप्लेन स्टैंड अप इंडिया स्कीम? विच टाइप ऑफ एडवांटेज आर गिवन टू द weaker section of the society according to this scheme? तो Stand Up India scheme aims to promote entrepreneurship among SC/ST and women. It provides composite loan for setting up any new enterprise between ₹10 lakh and up to 1 crore. One question. that who are Anglo-Indians? A minority community. Next question is, what do you mean by BPL? BPL means below poverty line. It is an economic benchmark used by Government of India to identify economically disadvantaged individuals who need government assistance and aid. Next question I'll ask from the chapter number 21, that which one of the following word does not find a mention in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Justice, liberty, fraternity, harmony. A traditional Islamic educational institution is called a Islamic institution, madrasa. Next, what is the meaning of underprivileged? Those who do not enjoy the same standard of living or rights as the majority of people in a society are called underprivileged. Indebtedness means the condition of owing money due to debts or loans. What do you mean by creamy layer? The term creamy layer is used for the relatively wealthier and better educated members of the backward classes. According to this chart given in page number 249, what is the percentage of Jains, as they are the minority community of India? 0.37%. Percentage of Sikhs, 1.72%. Buddhist, 0.70%. Christian, 2.30%. Muslims, 14.23%. लिस्ट सम माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी ऑफ इंडिया, ये भी किस तरह से पूछ सकता है? तो मुस्लिम्स, क्रिश्चियंस, सिख्स, बुद्धिस्ट, जैन्स, पारसी, एंग्लो इंडियन, etc. इस तरह से आप सबके नाम मेंशन कर सकते हो. What is the meaning of Adivasi? Adi means origin and Vasi means dweller. Adivasis are the natives of the land. They were traditionally dependent on forest for food, fodder, housing, cattle and craft. What is the meaning of Bishnoi? Who are Bishnoi? A tribal community of Rajasthan was called Bishnoi. Bishnois are a tribal community of Rajasthan. Bish means 20, Noi means 9. This is the origin of their name. What is the name of their spiritual mentor? Their spiritual mentor was known as Jambeshwarji. is Jambesh Warji.